as it is an international language testing system powered by IDP to access the level of candidate. My name is Jasprit Kaur and I am here to conduct a speaking of candidate number 110707 named Nivedita. Navtha. Okay, sorry. Okay, shall we start?
Yes.
What's your name?
My name is Navtha.
How may I address you?
You please call me Navtha.
Okay. So, are you a student or working?
Currently, I am a student. I am learning the English language from Popular Institute of my city.
Okay. So, what do you do on weekends?
I usually do spend with my parents to watch movies, sometimes crack jokes with each other.
Okay. Do you like perfumes?
Obviously, yes, because I love this, and whenever I wear the perfume, that time I get complimented from many people.
Do you wear perfume or aftershave? Do you have a favorite kind of perfume?
Yes, my favorite perfume brand name is Secret Temptation. That was suits me and no problem take me.
Do you wear perfumes or body sprays?
I usually wear body perfumes.
Would you ever give perfume as a gift?
Certainly, my friend's birthday, I given to my friend on many occasions. I usually give the gifts of perfumes.
Do people in your country often wear perfume?
As far as I concerned that people are usually wear the perfumes.
Would you ever buy an expensive bottle of perfume?
Pardon?
Would you ever purchase an expensive perfume?
No, because I usually prefer affordable perfumes, not so expensive, because I don't think so it is so important for us.
Do you think people spend too much money on perfumes?
I think that youngsters are more prefer to buy expensive perfumes, not older ones or elder ones.
Okay. Let's jump on a cue card. Here your cue card is. You can use paper or pencil to make your notes. You have only 1 minute to prepare your cue card. Okay, you may start now.
Well, gifts are that things which gives a emotional value to the people, and this gives a that value that didn't give any other things, and especially homemade gifts. And first, however, I would like to talk about that gift that I gave to my mother in a long time, in always her birthday. Since when I was in 5th class, that time, that time, gifted to my mother purses because my mother loved this gift, and they need very well because she is a teacher, and she needed very well this, and whenever she go anywhere she needed, and she loved it, and last birthday I gave sling purse, and that time she gave blessings to me, and that time secondly that time she was very fond of buying purses, and thirdly my mother told me that she was not so much money to buy purse for gift anyone, so I gave them to on birthday to gift any other people.
Okay. Is money is a good gift?
Not always, because homemade gifts and are those who gives emotional value, but money are those don't usually give emotional value or good value.
Is it common to return gifts in your country?
Not to.
Is it common to return gifts in your country?
Not usually. Some people give return gifts usually on the anniversary gifts.
Should people include receipts when they give gifts? Should people add receipt of gift when they are gifting something to someone?
I think so not, because receipts are not so important for it. So
What are the advantages of buying with cash?
there are many advantages of giving cash to the gift person, giving to that person, because money is that value that is very need for the people, and gift is not usually need for the people.
Why do people undervalue art?
Because they are not so much efforts to do properly do the art, so they usually prefer ready-made gifts.